Want the biggest, meatiest tomatoes you can grow? The beefsteak tomato is one of the largest cultivars out there. Some varieties weigh in at over 2 pounds per tomato. But not every beefsteak grows the same way, and pairing it with the right heirloom can round out your whole harvest. Here's something worth knowing before you buy. Some beefsteak varieties are indeterminate and need staking, while others are determinate bush varieties that don't need any support at all. The Burpee Super Beefsteak is indeterminate, producing 17-ounce fruit in about 80 days, with smooth shoulders and less ridging than a classic beefsteak. A bush-type beefsteak, on the other hand, is determinate, no staking needed, with fruit running 12 ounces or more in about 96 days. If you want an heirloom option, the Dutchman variety is an indeterminate heirloom beefsteak with large pink oblate fruit, 1 to 2 pounds, sweet and meaty, ready in about 85 days. Heirloom or heritage tomatoes are all the rage these days. These are open-pollinated varieties that are 40 years old or more, and they come in every size, shape, and color. If you're past the basics, a few worth knowing: Black Krim, a Russian heirloom; Brandywine, one of the best-known heirloom slicers; Moneymaker, an Old English heirloom; red Plum, and Italian Roma. Each brings something different to the garden beyond a standard beefsteak. Want the biggest single tomato you can grow? Go indeterminate. Don't want to stake anything? Pick a determinate beefsteak bush. Either way, pairing it with an heirloom like Black Krim or Brandywine rounds out your harvest with real variety.